This is going to be a video tutorial on how to find everything that you have been tagged in on Facebook. I will be using the Chrome browser on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Facebook. To find everything that you have been tagged in on Facebook, first thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner to your profile icon, and you want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy. You want to click on that. And then from here, you want to go down to where it says Activity Log and click on that. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Activity You're Tagged In. It'll take it a couple seconds. And now from here, you can scroll down here to see everything that you have been tagged in. In the pane off to the left hand side, you can filter the results by date, people, audience. You can also filter the results by posts and comments you're tagged in, or by photos that you're tagged in. But that is how you find everything that you have been tagged in on Facebook. Thanks for watching.